It's a 2010 Buick Lucerne. Every inch is polished, every technology is precise, and performance is perfectly optimized. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, leather steering wheel, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. This from Road and Track. The materials are top-notch. The design is clean and elegant and represents a huge step forward for GM and cabin appointments. Small items like passenger grab handles and coat hooks feature damped hinging. The instruments are clear and simple, and the controls are straightforward and easy to use. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.